We just need to take one stop towards Shinjuku from Odawara. So this is Ajisai Matsuri and all the local varieties of Ajisai. Let's go! Shuttle bus. So here we are, we arrived, and there's a huge parking lot. Free, but you can get a free car. Welcome to Kaisei Town. As you can see, it is lovely countryside. This is original flower, original hydrangea of this city. Wow. Massage. Did you know that Japan has rainy season? It is from middle of June until middle of July, and yeah, that's how it looks like. Gray sky. But on the bright side, you can see beautiful hydrangea. What do you think? That's right, hydrangea, or in Japanese, ajisai, is the flower of rainy season. There are a lot of parks with hydrangea all around Japan, and because it's not sakura, well, it's not as crowded, or if you're willing to travel a little bit. It's just so beautiful, and I cannot believe there are no people around. I mean, it's me. Look at this. Depending on the season, on the peak of the flower, the color intensity is going to be different. For example, in the beginning it's going to be light and whitish and greenish, but the more it grows, the more color intensifies. Like here, it's becoming purple. Like rainy season, as I don't like rain, but if you make yourself go out, you might as well enjoy this amazing hydrangea. The color of the flower depends on the soil. For example, the blue flowers will be made if they're grown in acidic soil. And the alkaline soil makes the pink flowers. Just happy. I hope you enjoy.